So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can delete your own search history on your YouTube account. So basically what we're going to do is first hit the library button on the bottom right corner. Once you're in there, you can see history right here on the top left corner. What you want to do is actually click view all on right here, right next to it on the right side. And then so this is your watch history. You can see all the videos that you have watched prior, your shorts, as well as your long form content. So from here, what you want to do is if you want to delete a specific video, let's say polite bank robber gives away money, you want to click on the triple dot icon like that, and then click on remove from watch history like that. There you go, and now that video has been removed from your history forever. And that's how you delete one video. However, if you are not looking to delete specific videos and you're trying to delete the entire watch history, simply just click on the triple dot icon on the top right corner, and then now click clear all watch history, clear watch history, and then just like that, you have cleared your entire YouTube watch history.